Hey guys, welcome back. I'm gonna do this recording in English because it's just too exhausting to do it in Japanese. I feel like I can't. I feel like it's just not entertaining. Like it's not entertaining to the people listening when I do it in Japanese. It just sounds like a 3-year-old speaking. So I'm gonna do it in English. And if you guys want to study English, sure, go ahead. That'll be great. I'm still gonna play the Japanese version because that's what the save is set up on. So who cares? I want to catch on fire here. Yeah, I really hate this stage. It's just I feel like it's very difficult just based on like how everything's set up for this for Crash Bandicoot. Like for what the game is, like doing this kind of stage is like I just feel like it's very difficult. All right, let's go. Let's try to. I'm gonna shut up for half a sec so I can do this. All right. I'm gonna get a proper microphone here in a couple days, so you'll be able to hear me more properly because it sounds like shit right now because I'm using the quality sounds really bad because I am using my laptop speaker. So let's see if I can get past this. Ooh, that was close. Do I want to do the bonus? No, that's a pain in the ass. Let's see, because I'm only gonna do this for maybe 10, 20, maybe 15 minutes. I don't know. I don't want to do too much. Got that guy. This guy. Oh, oh, that was close. All right, can I do it? I think this is the end of the stage. Yep, it is. I got it. There we go. 37 out of 88. What percent is that? Like 20, 25% maybe? No, that's not it. That's like near 6, 40, 40. It don't matter. All right, so I did it, and I think we're going to the boss now, which I don't even know who it is. I have no clue who it is. You got more than half of the crystals now. Very cute. If you're listening in English, you don't understand Japanese. You probably know if you played the game, but he's just saying like that what is it? He's just trying to say like, oh, you got more than half the crystals now. It's great. And then he's gonna say for my world, like he flubbed. He's gonna say world domination plan. Now he's saying, oh no, to protect the world. So because that's the story. He's tricking Crash. Do I go all? Yeah, and go the fuck upstairs. What am I doing? I have to wait half a beat. I have to wait half a beat. How many? Only 2 minutes recording so far. 3 minutes recording. Alright, what's his name? Tiny. I feel like I did this already. I think I played it by myself without recording. Oh, this one sucks. This totally sucks. I hate this. I kept screwing up when I was doing it before. The thing is, you're supposed to make him. Sorry, you're supposed to trick him into landing on one of the red blinking platforms so that he falls. And I got stick drift on this fucking controller. Very nice. I have to blow into it later so that it doesn't. See, he's supposed to like that, except for I did it to myself. Yeah, this is very annoying. This is like one of these things where it's like, alright, can I maybe get him? I think I gotta do 2 more times, which sucks. Ah, that sucked. Damn it. Look at this. I got him once, and now I'm like, whatever. Alright, so jumping. I guess I can just jump normal. I don't have to jump like a retard. Alright, so okay, that worked. So I keep doing the slide jump. So like, because I feel like, oh, I'm like safer like that. But really, no. Okay, he can only jump like one. I'm like the perspective is like messing with my head. I can't. I'm like, am I getting this damn thing up here? Jeez. That thing on the right is like in my field of view, so it's like annoying. All right, let's see. Let's see how many times when I go back and look at this shit, how many times I said like. That's what people in English say all the time. They say like. It's insane. I say it all the time. I don't realize I say it, but I say it all the time. It sounds awful. I'll like send a message to my cousin, and I'll come back, and I sound like an absolute goofball because of the way I'm like. Oh my god. Ugh. I'm trying to think. I'm like stressed because I want to get done with the. It's like I don't want to do this. It's like I'm stressed because the. Try again. Did I like quit? Wait, so I died and I completely forget what I was talking about. So I went down. Let's go up. Oh, pause recording and then just go back up. All right, here we are. Sorry about that shit. It's so stupid. Let's get back up there. Oh, I got the mouse on the screen like an idiot. All right, here we go. All right, let's do this shit. I can't even skip it. Oh yeah, I can. Maybe I should just use the D-pad. No, I should not. I should use a joystick. Crash Bandicoot. I got him. Got lucky. Yeah, there's so much dust from my controller, like the the PS3 controllers, the DS3. Well, any of the PlayStation controllers with the joysticks, they get like, God, fuck, I had them. They get worn down. I should shut up so I can do this. I'm gonna be quiet for a sec here. Right, he's coming up. Problem is, it's not like other bosses where if you just go through the pattern, you're gonna like, what do you call it? Like if you just go through the motions, it's gonna get him eventually. This is like you kind of have to. Oh my fuck! Oh my god! Yeah, it's like I'm talking like an idiot. You have to like, you have to play the game. Like you have to play, do, you have to trick like, lead him on to the red flashing uh, platforms to get him. Right. I feel like it should go a little better now. The thing is, like, I'm rushing. That's the thing. That's how you get into trouble. It's like when you rush. Hopefully, I can get him this time. I'm not gonna die. It's miserable. Right. I got him. I got it. That's right. Thank God. Thank God. I tell you, it's miserable. Absolutely miserable. Crash Bandicoot. Should have a button. I should set up a button so that I can pause this, like with a button click or something. Not a controller button, like something like another like a. I guess I should just have the mouse like over the thing and click pause when I'm ready to go do like when I am ready to do what. Like when I need it to pause. Like right now I'm just being retarded talking, but I'm talking about like where or what. Where what? Oh, let me pause. Like right now. Okay, I remember. So like what I did is I just paused the recording because I couldn't remember what I was saying, and it was related to pausing the recording. And I'm talking about like when there's certain times where it loads, or when I like fuck up a million times, or like, or yeah, where I just have to go through like a title sequence again or something. Instead of having to edit it, I feel like it might be better just to like pause at certain points, pause the recording. I mean, so Alright. I'm gonna pretend like I'm not playing this on an emulator here. Let's see. Go back, it says in there. It's okay. Doesn't matter. Let's check the memory card. Okay, I'm gonna save right here. Alright, there we go. I hadn't saved for a while. I was writing it. Alright, I'm gonna go back. That's what it is originally. What is my name on here? It just says warp. Is this the warp room? Save again. No, my name's not on there. Whatever. Who cares? Alright. What is this here? Let's go to the sewers. That's what it is. The sewers. Chicago. I've been like speaking Japanese for 10 years, but when I do this video, like when I do these Let's Plays and I try to do it in Japanese, I just feel like it sounds so like forced. Like I speak it every day, but oh man. Like when I listen back to the recordings of myself, it just sounds terrible. Like I can tell what I'm saying or what I'm trying to say, but it is just nuts. I think some people have aptitudes for things and others have aptitudes for others, that kind of thing. Maybe trying to force something isn't good, or maybe I'm not trying hard enough. So like right now, I should pause. I'm gonna pause. And you can see it's okay. So I just did the pause thing. You can see I'm using a fucking emulator, but I'm gonna hide that here. Can I adjust this while I'm doing it? I'm gonna pause the recording. I don't know if you know me. I'm gonna do it like this. Shift it up a bit. How retarded that'll look. You see, it's like jumping about. Just cut it out, don't matter. Alright, I think that's it for today. I'm like pretty sick of this. Alright, I'll see you guys later. Peace.